Ingredients for the dough: all-purpose flour 500 grams, milk 250 milliliters, room temperature, not hot, dry yeast 10 grams, sugar 50 grams, salt 10 grams, butter 50 grams, softened for dough. For lamination, butter layer, butter 250 grams, cold shaped into a square. For brushing, egg yolk, 1 milk, 1 tablespoon. 1. Preparing the dough. Activate the yeast. Pour milk into a bowl. Add half of the sugar. Sprinkle the yeast on top. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy, indicating the yeast is active. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine flour and salt. Knead the dough. Add the yeast mixture and softened butter to the flour. Knead until you get a soft, elastic dough, about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the dough rise. Shape the dough into a ball, cover with plastic wrap, and leave it at room temperature for 1 hour until it doubles in size. 2. Preparing the butter for lamination. The key to croissants is lamination, creating layers of dough and butter. Cut the butter into a square and place it between parchment paper. Roll it into a thin square about 1 centimeter thick. Keep it cold but pliable so it can be incorporated into the dough evenly. 3. Laminating the dough, creating layers. Roll the dough on a floured surface into a square or rectangle. Place the butter in the center of the dough. Fold the edges over the butter to completely encase it. Roll out the dough carefully into a long rectangle. First fold the dough into thirds, like folding a letter. Chill. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Repeat folds. Repeat this folding and chilling process 3 to 4 times. Each fold creates more layers for the flaky texture. 4. Shaping the croissants. Roll the chilled dough to about 0.5 centimeters thickness into a rectangle. Cut the dough into triangles. Starting from the wide end, roll each triangle toward the tip to form a crescent shape. Tuck the ends slightly to maintain the classic croissant shape. 5. Final proofing. Place the shaped croissants on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover them and let them rest at room temperature for about 1 hour. They should roughly double in size. 6. Egg wash. Mix the egg yolk with milk. Brush the croissants with the egg wash to give them a golden, shiny crust after baking. 7. Baking. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the croissants for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Let them cool for 5 minutes before serving. Result: the outside should be crispy, the inside soft and layered. Croissants can be enjoyed plain or filled with chocolate, cheese, or almond paste.